scaffolding temporary work platform. If we have some activity, some work to somewhere, and we cannot reach to there, and we are going to 1.2 meters above, if we have any activity, then we are using scaffolding. Temporary work platform called scaffolding. In Arabic, we are using a word scala. Scala. No. Yes. And in the Pakistan, mostly we are using go, add, shittering. This is what we are using today. And for temporarily, we want to work to some height, at that time we need to do. But basic work at height, consider a 1.2 meter when we are going to above, at that time we are using a scaffolding. We need the work at height permanent and work at height to start there. And the less than this, maybe we get some support or something we can do to some activity. But more than 1.2 meter when we have any activity, at that time we need to proper scaffolding. The scaffolding, basic thing, we need basic two type of this one. We have a 4 type of scaffolding. Okay, in the design. By design, 4 type of scaffolding. Number 1, mobile scaffolding. Which one we can make inside the building, inside the some shelter or some area. We make a one big scaffolding, we remove one place to the place, we have a lot of activity inside the building. Then we use to mobile scaffolding. The mobile scaffolding have wheel with stopper. Okay, but one time when the mobile scaffolding usually one person can use the scaffolding there if upside he has some activity or something and he cannot pull if he is not coming to down. Okay, when he reach to ground, then after that remove the stopper from the wheel and then after that he can push or pull to both people because sometimes he is not allowed to anybody working to there, the other person he push to there and then reach to there. It's not allowed. The other thing for the scaffolding, basic mobile scaffolding, tower scaffolding, underhang or suspended scaffolding, both we get considered in one place, underhang and suspended. And the 4th one is the bracket scaffolding. Bracket scaffolding means we are going to top. This is our water tanker or something. At the side, we are making some platform, putting a bracket, and then we are making this platform there. This is not going coming from the ground to top. Only we are getting here support, and we are making this bracket scaffolding.
It's like working in the height or working in outside, like in balcony.
Yes, in the same like shelter or like this we make this. And that one is putting a bracket, and then after that we face to this type of sign. For example, this one. Okay, we get it this spot from here. Then after that we have this platform around to this area near to water tanker vessels, and also we have a furnace there in the top. See in the furnace there is the burning of some fuels and some gases and these things. This is at the top we are making that platform around to that furnace. That one is bracket scaffolding. And underhang scaffolding, we consider which one when you see then the big towers, high-rise building, they are cleaning the some glasses, side windows or something. They have some same little bit platform which one they are using to there, and the people's coming to down. Then after that they are washing, cleaning windows and these are things. That one is underhang. Because they tied to there, and then after that hanging to this one in the ground. Underhang scaffolding. Then after that we are using sometimes suspended scaffolding. Okay, suspended means we want to work here. No need to come from here. We get support from this area. We make a platform. Then after that we tie there. For example, we want to work here. We have our tubes, couplers, these things. We tie with this, okay, clamps, and we get it a support from somewhere. We tie, attach with this. Then after that we make a platform here at the top. This one is maybe 100 meter, 20 meter like this. But we get it only ladder access. Other we can get the scaffolding from ground. Only we tie here. We put a clamp, something, and we tie it, and then after that we work there. If we are using a suspended scaffolding, it means we must be put some clamps there because this is a post which one we use here for a tie, and then our platform is there, and we must be put the how many clamps there? One for the tying purpose because we attach with the other. One clamp for that purpose, but after that, again we put the one more clamp there. 2 clamps. Why? One for this tightening purpose, and other one is extra clamp we put here. If this one is slipped, then other one can stop. Not a one only. This one is stop purpose, extra, not touching with this because this can is not going to slip. But again, we have a safety. We put again the other one in the all sides. And suspended scaffolding is a sometimes in the patch line, in the also structures we get support from there. That one is suspended scaffolding.
The suspended and underhanging are the same one, like they
Yes, in one
the
category,
same.
coming to in one category, but they have a different use. Okay, and basic thing when this one is by design I discussed only design. By weight we have a three type of scaffolding.
by weight.
By weight, one lightweight scaffolding. The second one is the lightweight scaffolding mean one person and 20 kg weight, the bearing capacity, the scaffolding we can put to their weight in 1 square meter. One person and 20 kg in 1 square meter. If we are putting at this weight and that scaffolding not affected by anything, it means this one is lightweight scaffolding. How much weight?
20 kg.
One person, 1 and 100 kg, 1 and 100 kg, 120 kg, 120 kg weight if you are putting to there, and that scaffolding is considered a lightweight scaffolding. 120.
120 kg in 1 meter.
1 square meter.
1 square meter.
Mean 100 meter mean one person. 100 meter, 100 kg mean
One.
one person. And 20, this one tool and luggage, this one is weight. 120 square meter. Then we consider that one as light scaffolding. Medium scaffolding 200 kg and 40 kg. 200 kg plus 40 kg. Mean 2 person and 40 kg. 2 person and 40 kg. This one is medium weight scaffolding.
240.
240. 2 person and 40. 2
And
person
this how much meter?
and square meter.
1 square meter.
1 square meter. And more than this, if we are putting a more than capacity, you see the bridge, under the bridge we are putting scaffolding or something. Then that scaffolding, consider more than this if you require, that scaffolding consider a special scaffolding or heavyweight scaffolding. What we say?
Special or
Special scaffolding or heavyweight scaffolding. And how we note, we know this one is lightweight scaffolding, this is medium weight scaffolding, this one is special scaffolding or heavyweight scaffolding. How we know? Because
person.
not a person, this one is our knowledge. But how we understand it in the software scaffolding, this distance under the scaffolding, tube distance, post distance is very near, it means this one is heavyweight scaffolding or
Near.
special scaffolding. For example, there's a 4 post only. 4 posts in square meter. It means this one is lightweight scaffolding. When we increase in square meter 8 posts, it means this one is
Heavy.
medium. If we increase the post in very near, this one is pause, this one is pause, this is a pause, this is a pause, it means this is special or heavyweight scaffolding. You put the full bridge weight above that scaffolding, not damage, not affecting to anything. Understand? We understand this one is heavyweight scaffolding. The other thing in the scaffolding, this is a basic concept. Nobody can throw to anything at the scaffolding, or scaffolder cannot throw to anything at the ground. Always we use a rope, we tie, if we are giving this pipe also at the for the erection type, we directly we cannot throw to this pipe, and we cannot give one person giving to other person, no. 2 person must be standing. For example, this is a platform, one platform, second platform, third platform. And one person when he is giving to this, the second two they are holding, then he leave. Then other two holding, then they leave, if they are not using a rope. Normally, if they are taking to this material to outside, then they need for each platform 1 person. Then 2 person one time they are holding to this pipe, and then they are going to live there. Okay, and they are using mostly rope and pulley. If they are using a rope or pulley, and then they are putting the material, they are tying from 2 places. One they are keeping inside the basket, then they tie one and tie a second. Then after that, the tube going to there. They can pull. Okay, when they're pulling to there, and at that time person cannot stay near to that weight. He stay far. The puller person who is pulling to this weight, he is staying far from there. And he why out? Because the pulley is going to there up. But the person he is holding a rope, he is staying far. And he is pulling from there. He is not coming under this load. Because maybe this load is dropped from there or something happened. And also hit to that guy who is pulling this rope. When this material reaches to there, then after that person can take and leave to there. Again, when the bucket is empty, at that time bucket reach down, then after that person coming to near to this material is going to tie again for that purpose. Okay. Now, by weight 3 times. Okay. By design 4 times. By manufacturers 2 types of scaffolding. One tube and coupler scaffolding, for example this tube. And there is a clamp, which one we are tying there, right angle coupler, square coupler, we are using to there, and end-to-end couplers, half couplers we are using for the ladder. When we are tying the ladder with this, that one is half coupler we are using to there. Okay? And the ladder coupler, half clamp, that one we put to there. Sometimes we say ladder coupler, but mostly half clamp, that one. And end-to-end clamps, and then also when we are extending to some tube, this one tube, other tube we are bringing here, then we putting here clamp. That one is end-to-end clamp we are using to there. Then beam clamp also we are using to there. That one is same like half. We are joint cutting to joint. We putting this clamp here. Then we can put tube here. This is the beam clamp.
And it's with the beam.
Beam clamp coupler we can say this because this one is holding to beam. That one is using to there in the scaffolding. The other thing, we are going to change the name now. This one is, what is this? Pipe. What is this? Pipe or tube. It's okay. But now I'm showing to you name of the parts of scaffolding. When we are keeping this post, this tube like this is a post. What is this? Post. When we keep to this one is post. Okay. When we are keeping to this one in this direction, this is short, this one is long. Okay? This side we keep to there, this one is barrier. What is this? Barrier. When we keep to in this direction, long direction, this one is runner.
Runner.
Okay?
Understood.
Runner.
Long runner.
Runner.
The long or runner?
Runner. The short one.
Short one, barrier.
Barrier. Bearing weight.
Barrier.
Barrier.
Okay.
Okay, he is bearing the weight. Bearing a force like this, barrier.
Long one runner and short one is very.
Yeah. Understand that? Then we keep to this tube like this and cross. Then this one is braces.
Braces.
When we keep like both, one in this side, one in this side. Then cross braces.
Cross braces. Single one braces.
Single braces. Turn. Okay?
So
And
cross-
the cross, then cross braces. Okay. Then the scaffolding part sometimes. Then this one is bottom start from 6 inch. We take from this from 6 inch. We put a first joint here. Okay? Long side and this side also. And this one is, what is this one? Barrier runner when we fix and in the base 6 inch. At that time, what is we consider? This one is kicker left.
Kicker left.
Kicker. Kick. Okay, we start the kick up to up. That one is kicker left in 6 inch. First one we keep there, and we start to build up. This one is first bay. We use sometimes words first bay. What we say? First bay. But this one is kicker left. In starting, we are going to start from there. That one is kicker left. Then after that, we make a one platform. Directly we cannot start with 20 meter or like this. At the last, we have a platform and access. No, this is not allowed. We must be make a step by step to upside. Okay? First step, this one is first bay. Second bay, third bay, fourth bay. The platform, we say bay. This one is kicker bay. First starting one. Then second bay, third bay, fourth bay, fifth bay, like this platform. At the last, there we have a work. For example, at the top we have a work. At that area, what we do? That one is platform. proper platform. In the platform, what we need, see the planks we are using to there, planks, wooden planks. Okay, the wooden planks have a different name. In the mobile scaffolding at the ground, we don't need to planks because this one is we can move here, and stable place we can make a mobile scaffolding. Okay, same like have a proper ground and everything, that area. Inside the building, we can make a mobile scaffolding. But tower scaffolding, systems, the other scaffolding, we cannot make the inside the room or anywhere. Outside we can make, but at that area, maybe some area is not stable, up and down, a lot of things. For that purpose, what we do, we first use wooden planks. What we use? Wooden planks, which one we keep under the this post. This is a post. Under this post, two posts must be come in the one plank. Two posts coming under the one plank. There is the one plank. Please can
Yeah, there.
that one. Wooden plank. This is the size of the wooden plank. This is a,
ये इधर आगे आगे लेफ्ट लेफ्ट ऊपर ऊपर
Up. This one.
ये
Here.
लेफ्ट नीचे हाँ ये
yeah, this one bring here. This is a wooden plank. The wooden planks always mostly we are using in the scaffolding 1.5 inch.
1.5 inch
1.5 inch planks this size we are using there. Okay, 2 inch and 1.5 inch planks we use to there. This is a plank set. When we keep to these planks under the two posts, okay, one post is not coming, two posts, one and other two posts must be plank coming under the two posts, like a barrier side or runner side, any side, barrier side or runner side, but two posts must be coming upside the one plank. But at that time, what we say the planks? That means soil board. What we say? Soil, the ground, soil board. Okay? We change the name. This one is soil board because we keep under the post. This one is
soil board.
And when we keep to this one, okay, this plank. When we use to this planks at the top, in the platform, this is a platform, we are standing here. Okay. And then we use to platform. When we keep to this planks in side direction, like this. This one. This one is toe board. Toe board. Toe,
Yes,
this,
toe board.
which we cannot drop from top to bottom. And what we say, because this one is now toe board at the side, but this size is different. 4 to 6 inch we can use to toe board. 4 to 6 inch we can use the planks as a toe board. If the more than this, no problem.
Minimum 4
At
inch.
last 4 inch. More than this, it's okay. But same, which one we keep to under the soil board, there is a soil board in the platform, but that plank also we can keep at the side as a toe board. Clear? And upside the platform, we cannot keep upside anything and we make a more extension. No. We cannot change anything from there.
From platform you cannot move up.
Yeah, in the platform, we use the ladder 75 angle.
Level 75.
Ladder 75 angle. Ladder we must be checked properly, tie and keep this, put the toe board, these are things. Like this. And ladder must be okay. Once we change the position, then change the name. It's clear now?
Yes.
And now, when we are rating a scaffolding, there is a two types of, which one I discussed before. The tube coupler scaffolding, tube and coupler scaffolding. The other one is system scaffolding. The system scaffolding, the coming of manufacturer. Same I'm showing to you. You see this is a platform, like a scaffolding. Anytime we can change this one. We can keep it down and up, but we cannot extend its size. Because this is a manufacturer coming to here. And this hole, you see there is a hole. This one is coming manufacturer. We cannot reduce, we cannot extend, we cannot increase. How much they design, they have, they make, only we use to that one. We cannot give the width to platform. We cannot reduce to platform because this is a coming manufacturer. That one is system scaffolding. Okay, we only give the request, we need the 10 meter scaffolding, system scaffolding. They are giving, we fixed, and then after that we go to there. Within short time we can make to this, because this one is coming by manufacturers. They give them the design. These are their design we are supplying. But in the tube and couplet scaffolding in the plant, mostly we are using. Why? Because we know what is the situation inside the plant, where we need to hide, where we need to reduce, where we need going to up. This one is system scaffolding. Okay. The other thing we have by height scaffolding, we have a basic 2 category, but sometimes we consider 3 categories by height. Okay, less than 6 meters scaffolding. Less than 6 meters scaffolding. This is a requirement to scaffolding supervisor. He can inspect, sign, tag, everything. Less than 6 meter. The scaffolding supervisor, he is responsible to put a tag, sign, and erect and everything. Also, you have peoples. In the scaffolding, we have 3 categories. Number 1, scaffolder, erector, and helper. Number 1 is helper. Level 2, scaffolder is a helper. Okay, the person who is giving a material. Level 1, scaffolder, erector, who is going to erect to these type and these are things. The scaffolder 1, scaffolder 2, only giving a material. He is not going to erect. He is not using spanner or anything. But scaffolder 1 is erecting. 2 giving a material. Helper. Okay. We have a card here. Card system. Scaffolder 2, if you pass exam, then you can work as a labor. Scaffolder 1, if you pass, then you can erect the scaffolding. And then we need to scaffolding supervisor. If you pass the exam scaffolding supervisor, then he can supervene these project, the scaffolding work.
The third time.
Yes.
Supervisor.
Yes, supervisor. And then fourth one, if we have a scaffolding more than 6 meters, then scaffolding supervisor cannot inspect to that scaffolding. Yes, he is erecting, he is covering the people, everything he can do, but he cannot sign more than 6 meters scaffolding. Only scaffolding inspector can sign more than 6 meters. Clear?
This is level 4.
Leave to level, not for level. Inspector, scaffolding inspector. Okay, the person, fourth one. The number 6 person I'm counting now. The person who is watching to these all people's activities, documents, everything, that person is safety officer, also attached with them. Scaffolding, when they are getting a permit, if the supervisor is different and permit receiver is different, and then scaffolding permit receiver, also he is joining to them, person number 6. Understand? And why I was using the word the person number 1, 2, 3, 4 like this? If there is some foreman for the scaffolding, he is not a supervisor qualified, but foreman for the activity. Then person number 7. If engineer, he is also going with them and working to there. Then person number 8. All categories, when they are working with the scaffolding team, they are a part of the scaffolding team. All people, they must be go like me. With full body harness. This is the dress of the scaffolding team.
How sir? They are
Not a matter they are going to upside. Not a matter they are going to 2 meter, 5 meter, 6 meter, 10 meter. No. Because they category their job requirement to scaffolding people if they are walking at the ground, if they are level 1, he is an inspector, a supervisor, a safety officer. Maybe they going to sometimes they are upside. There is dress for them. When they are coming from camp, going to job site, this is their dress. Oh, they scaffolding people. They know. You know, you study already 1.8 meter when we are going at the height, we are wearing a full body harness. Less than we don't need. But for the job, for the work, if you are an electrician, mechanic, instrument engineer, any category, then you need to this one 1.8 meters. If you are a scaffolding part of the member of scaffolding team, then you are a different person. Then I consider 8 categories. All categories which were related to the scaffolding, working with the scaffolding at the ground, they all people must be used to full body harness. If they are walking at the ground, safety officer is not going to outside. Maybe he is walking to there, but safety officer for scaffolding, yeah, he must be there. Foreman with the scaffold, yeah. Supervisor is at the ground. He say, okay, do this design giving like this. He must be here to this full body armor. Understand? If engineer working with them, he is at the side with the workers, he must be here. The full body armor. Okay, this is the dress for the scaffolding team. For scaffolding, this is a basic thing, which one is very important. In the scaffolder, when they are working there at the scaffolding, they must be tied 100% tie off. 100% tie off.
Okay.
And they must be tied their full body harness, both hook. This is the one hook. See, this one is hook number 1. This one is hook number 2. They must be tied both hook. If he is working together, he try to keep to tie to this whole both hook in the above his height. Say like this. See, above his height. It's good for it because when he going drop to somewhere, how much? See, this one is only is getting less than 1 meter height. Sound like I'm showing to you. Okay, see how much? This one is coming to down. This is the margin getting because he keep to there. If I keep to this in the bottom or down area, then how I protect myself? Maybe my foot's also attached to there at the ground. But this is we try to keep above our height. And all scaffolding people, when they are working there, they must be tied the altitude with his body. Spanner, level, these are things they require there. Okay? Clamps, sometimes they put in the pocket. They not keep to any loose material with them. Okay, the tool also they are tying in the rope. Same like I see this one is tied. If you use to there. And then scaffolding people, they never tie to their full body harness at the ground. Sometimes they are working, they are now reaching here. When they are going up, this hook is also still there and they reach to upside. That one is like an animal, but that one is not allowed to use. Must be keep first your hook, then after that start over. Clear? And during this, how they can travel. For example, I am going to somewhere. For example, I am here now, but I want to travel from this area to there. What I do, how I use, 100% tie off I am showing to you. How I use, I take this hook now, and I put to one hook only. I keep to this one here because I am going there.
Then I take another.
Then next one I take from there, but one I put, then after that I can take the other. Then I can go to there. This is a walking method. If I'm going to anywhere, I use to this time. This going to the other side, I'm going to walk. But I take both hook from that area, which area I'm working.
Sir, what about if you are going down?
When I'm coming down, then I put to there, then I use to ladder. No problem.
No problem.
But during the walk, never. For example, I'm working here. Okay, I'm just using this ground. This is my ground. I leave to here. Second, when I fix, okay, this area, down, I'm coming to here. See, I take this out, then I'm going there. Okay, again, I take it back from there. And I reach to at last this area, and then after that I'm going to outside. Okay, I tie this hook here. Okay, then I take this. Now I'm using an exit because I'm going there. Then I need to access proper ladder. Okay, this is my access. Okay, then at that time when I hold the ladder properly, free and contact. How? Because ladder is coming to here, upside. Upside the platform, 3 steps. 1 meter above. This is above. And my hook is there, one in my hand, other is there. Then I'm going to start, at that time I hold the side, at that time I can take to this last hook from there. And then I proceed out, put to there, then I use the left. I'm going to plant like this. Bye bye. Okay, this is the way. And okay, This one is walking way, how we are going to walk. For 100% I have. Okay, one question to you. If I remove a one hook from there, for example, this is a one hook I put to there. One hook in my hand. Now, how many percent I am tie off? One I tie there, one is this in my hand. 50%. How much? Good. 1% you reply immediate. Immediate reply. If one hook is tied and another one in my hand, another one I keep here.
Zero.
How many percent? Zero? Zero. He says zero. 0% tie off. Sorry?
Zero.
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 Please use, don't use say to anything.
Okay.
Ah,
Zero.
10%. Almost.
chalo zero to थोड़ा can is it can. Yes. Zero. See, this is a new thing for me. The first time this thing happened with me. And never, this same like reply, Mr. Mahat, he said 50%. This one I listened several times. But first time I listen in my experience. See, I say I'm learning a lot of things from our class. This one I listen in first time. And in the words, I hope, in the word first time, the people they are listening, this one is 0% IR. All the listener people, they are looking my video. Please, this is a new thing, and this advice sent to OSHA, and they understand because this is a never before I listen to somebody say this is a 0% IR. This is a 100% IR. Because if the one hook is attached in the anchorage point, the other is attached with me, I can't go there from that seat. I'm showing to you how you say the zero. This one is tied here, okay? And now I can't go from here. Dice is not coming with me. Coming, it means this is a tie off. 100% tie off. How you say this is a zero? If the zero, then why dice coming with me? And I am tired. I am stuck. This is not tie off. 100% tie off.
No, what's about if you fall down from the?
Who fall down?
Maybe.
If I'm a fall down, also I am hanging. I stuck there.
No, but this one too. You can see.
Which two?
This one too. You have this one.
Yes, two I have, but if I'm not using this one, also this is 100%. If in my hand, also this is 100% because I'm stuck there. I'm hanging there.
No, what about this one? This behind you have this behind back side.
This one.
This
Okay.
jumping up. This one.
What's your idea now? 0%. Okay, all people say 0%. Please come here, stay here, and then after that I'm pulling this one and nothing coming upside your head. It's possible. मैं यहाँ से आप अगर बैठे हो सारे आके मैं यहाँ से सिंगल लेवल लगा के यहाँ से भागूंगा ये मटेरियल आपके सर में नहीं लगेगा आगे बच जाओगे जीरो कैसे है कितनी बड़ी गलती कितनी बड़ी
जीरो इसलिए कि अगर आप उससे नीचे गिरते हैं जो उसका जो हैंगिंग का है ना वो जो स्प्रिंग टाइप है जो उसका
शाक अब्जॉर्बर
उसके हिसाब से वो नहीं होगा
कैसे है उसको क्या होगा शाक अब्जॉर्बर इसमें भी है इसमें भी है इसमें भी है
तो दोनों आपकी बॉडी होल्डिंग है एक से ज्यादा आपको नुकसान नहीं हो सकता
क्या नुकसान पहुंचेगा नुकसान पहुंचेगा मैं लटका हुआ कि नहीं 100% एक ही बात है शाक अब्जॉर्बर तो एक है दोनों में एक शाक अब्जॉर्बर एक लगे या दो लगे बात रहेगी है ये जीरो कहां से आपने निकाली ये पहली बार दुनिया पूरी में पहली बार ये होगा और सब बंदे पूरी क्लास बोल रही है जीरो एक बंदे ने 50% कहा है वो एक आइडिया बनता है यार दो लगाओ तो 100 हो गया तो एक लगा दो तो 50 होगी
यस सर
यार वो भी बेवकूफी है मगर फिर भी चलो उसके सहन में क्या है कि भाई दो से अगर 100 हो जाए तो एक से शायद 50 होता हो वो फिर कुछ ना कुछ किसी सहन में आ सकता है कभी किसी मुंह में निकल सकती है ये बात गलती से किसी बात को कह सकते हैं और ये बात वो मैंने सुनी है बहुत लोग करते हैं भाई 2 holes 100% 1 50% they are some getting idea but new thing for me in my whole experience you know I am only 15 but
yes
in this 15 I first time heard about this the 0% new thing really I shocked about this not a 1% except 1% whole class Mr. Abdul Khalid, I'm requesting to you next time, don't you reply any question. They are all following to you.
I said first.
Because
I
you
said,
have
don't follow
experience in
me.
Dubai, you have experience in Saudi, and they all trust to you. If you are using a wrong words, they are
That's why.
following to you.
That's why I told them don't follow me.
Follow the standard. Think about your mind. It's been I leave to class only, I take this one person only. This is a new thing, really new thing. I wonder, really, how do you? This person said 10%. What is the 10% is a sorry? Some people they say the sorry is 10% or something. Yeah, again we start this one. What is this? You are 10%? Yeah. Why?
I left 10700.
But to check 100%. If you try one hook, it's been 100%. The other thing. And the other thing, shock absorber. It's very important. All full body unless they have a shock absorber. The different type. This one is shock absorber is inbuilt in the lanyard. The other one shock absorber I'm showing to you. This is a shock absorber re-zip system. Okay. This one, other lanyard. Which one is? You can see 1.1 meter and half meter is this one, and this type of shock absorber also we are using there. Okay, this was zip system, but upside we cannot put the color code or anything because manufacturer how they come in this that one still we use to there, and we check the color code and everything for this. The lanyard capacity and everything is mentioned to there. The full body harness also have a monthly color code system. Okay, this one you see the attached there. Monthly inspection sticker. And when you are using this before you check, and also we have a full book of this scaffolding about these all information, how you use these all book is there. Okay, also I shown before. It's okay. Full body harness when you are using it there at the side, you must be clear to these all things. And scaffolding designed by these all things we are going to explain in the presentation. We are start with that because I understand that some people they are ready to learn about the scaffolding. But you know what you can get. If you learn this training properly, you can work scaffolder level. How many category I consider now? 8. If you attend this training properly, you can work in 8 categories. Scaffolding engineer, scaffolding inspector, scaffolding supervisor, scaffolding erector, scaffolding helper, scaffolding safety officer, scaffolding foreman. If you understand this training, this is not a simple job. You can get lot of job there in this one presentation, one topic today, which one we are giving to you. If you understand properly and learn by heart, by carefully you're listening to this, then you can join the 8 categories. It's not simple thing. Yes.
So please give us how to wear this harness, full body harness.
Yeah, this is very easy because there is a proper system. Also, we have a proper training that round we are showing to you. We use this too in the legs and properly we tie it because how much our capacity weight we must be keep not used to lose. Okay, this one also we can hold properly and then we use to hook same. These all things. This is very simple. This is the chest step. This one used. Other one is coming on the leg. This is the seat. Important thing. See. There's a one step, small step. You seen this one?
Yes.
This is very important. Before belt they are making, this one is not using the people, but this is very important. If anybody is fell down from there or hang, at that time the person can sit. It's the slit. Okay, this seat. This is a seat now. Otherwise, if he's not sitting at the seat here like this, the person within 15 minutes expire. Before, also I discussed within 20 minutes. If you block your blood, that area is paralyzed. Okay? Same. The body because this belt is tight here, the legs are like that. This chest also giving a force there. If we not sit here, maybe we are hanging like this or like this. We are not sitting using the seat. Then this blood is locked and the person is expired within 15 to 15 minutes. But if we are using the seat, we can sit 2 hours, 3 hours. And also we have a training self-rescue.
Yes.
Self-rescue. Roll, scale, this one, and then crawling, and other training we have there. We are using this full body, how we escape from there. In the present program, some people is there. They
Yes,
see
yes, sir.
which one the people they did this. Everybody must be do to this. Self-rescue. There's the one topic and the certificate you can see it there. If the who pass at that self-rescue, that person getting a response. Otherwise, we move to this topic from there. We are showing you this how to use. Okay. Now we are going to presentation, which one is very important. One by one, some points will also clear to you. Okay. I hope something you understand.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Thank you. Yeah.
अब किसी ने मुझे फॉलो किया